So my name is Linda and I'm from Auckland, New Zealand, and I am very committed to the environment, but more particularly my sons, who are younger and both extremely committed to all conservation efforts, I thought would really enjoy having this commitment for the future for Niue, and 20 years of it suits them better than old people like me. I appreciate that it's usually older people who have the ability to do this, that others have other commitments for their finances. So I'm just delighted to be able to do it really for my sons, because I know how committed they are to such things. I think it'll be really good to see the progress as you go through your commitment, and to know that it is making a difference. So to hear that regularly would be absolutely magic. But look, in general, any effort that is made to look after our oceans, I'm there.